ఏది ఎల్లో కలర్ లో ఉండే ఓ పండు పేరు చెప్పు.
అట్టిపండు.
గుడ్. అదే కలర్ లో ఉన్న ఇంకో పండు పేరు చెప్పు.
ఇంకో అట్టిపండు.
Let's the part C of fruits name. First one is watermelon, which is addressed in Kannada as Kallangadi and in Telugu Puchakaya. Lemon, which is addressed in Kannada as Nimbe Hannu and in Telugu Nimmakaya. Guava, which is addressed in Kannada as Sibe Hannu and in Telugu Jama Pandu. Muskmelon, which is addressed in both Kannada and Telugu as Karbuja. Custard apple, which is addressed in Kannada as Sitafala and in Telugu Sitaphalam. Jackfruit, which is addressed in Kannada as Halasina Hannu and in Telugu Panasa Pandu. Pomegranate, which is addressed in Kannada as Dalimbe and in Telugu Danimma. For more such kind of